Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before WordPress-based funnel builder that creates professional, mind-blowing funnels, landing pages, thank you pages, and much more with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to profit from the hottest and widely untapped world of creating and selling professional funnels and landing pages to hungry audience without creating a single funnel or page yourself, without paying monthly to hosting platforms, without learning complex coding and designing skills, without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, and finally say goodbye to monthly charging third-party platforms like ClickFunnels, Convertri, Lead Pages, Opt-in Monster, etc. You're in for a great surprise today. Presenting WP Funnels, world's ultimate WordPress-based funnel builder that creates 50,000 plus ultra-fast, profitable funnels, sales pages, checkout pages, and much more, hosted on your own servers at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, sell and profit. And that's it. You're all set to make profits from this lucrative industry with no initial investment or third-party dependency. Here are some amazing benefits you'll get with WP Funnels. Never seen before, WP Funnel Builder creates 50,000 plus professional sales funnels, landing pages, etc. in 3 clicks. Everything is hosted on your own servers. Boost branding with zero dependency on third-party servers. Instantly create high-converting funnels with landing page, sales page, checkout, cart, upsell, downsell, thank you page, etc. without even a single line of code or design skills. Use the world's most innovative drag-and-drop page builder to edit anything in a few seconds. Supports global payment gateways to sell easily anywhere in the world. Get tons of amazing free plugins to drive maximum leads and sales using WP Funnels. Unmatched WooCommerce integration to work seamlessly with all major platforms. Connect any autoresponder in a flash and make the most from your leads on the fly. Smartly create industry-standard funnels and landing pages from one easy-to-use dashboard. Stop paying monthly to ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Opt-in Monster, and other third-party platforms. Get exclusive commercial license to create and sell profitable funnels, landing pages, bonus pages, etc. to globally scattered audience. 100% easy-to-use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. But make it fast, as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, WP Funnels will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get WP Funnels for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.